Thank you very much. As we had indicated from the outset, today was simply but the beginning of this new wave of civil disobedience and mass action. And following the resounding success that has been registered across the country, we wish to announce that we are going to continue in this journey. We are going to continue, and come next week, the 12th of July 2023, that is Wednesday, we are going to have even more serious demonstrations across the country. And in Nairobi, those demonstrations are going to be preceded by a massive public rally at Kamukunji. And let me say this, that the role of the police in this matter is simply to provide security to the peaceful demonstrators and assemblers. We are not giving a notice as a way of seeking permission from anybody, least of all the police. So stop wasting time with those baseless proclamations that you continue to make every other day. We don't need those proclamations from the police. We have simply notified you that come the Wednesday, the whole country will come to a standstill as Kenyans of all walks of life participate in massive demonstrations in every width and breadth of the country. And this is going to continue until the end. There is no stopping in this journey. Thank you very much. God bless.
Ningependa kwa niaba ya wanaazimio zote kuchukua fursa hii kutoa shukrani zetu zote kwa Wakenya kila mahali ambao walijitokeza siku ya leo, wakaitikia wito wetu na wakafanya maandamano ya kiamani ili tuweze kutekeleza ile maslahi yetu. Naomba Wakenya shukrani sana. Hii vita itaendelea. Hii mapambano bado itaendelea. Na wiki ijayo vile imetangazwa hapa na Bwana Wandai, tutakuwa tena uwanjani siku ya Jumatano. Shukrani sana.
Okay.